If you want a simple, plug-and-play microscope for everyday inspection and learning, the Celestron Labs Digital 2MP Handheld Microscope 20x 200x is a solid, beginner-friendly option that balances portability with useful digital features. Right away, the key feature is its 20x or 200x magnification range, which is perfect for inspecting coins, circuit boards, textiles, insects, and more without needing a bulky lab setup. The built-in 2MP camera lets you capture photos and videos directly to your computer in up to 1080p resolution, making it great for documentation, study, or even content creation. One of the most useful additions is the included software, which allows live viewing, recording, and even basic measurement of objects, turning it into more than just a viewing tool. Lighting is handled by 8 adjustable LED lights, giving you clear visibility even on darker or detailed surfaces. Plus, the built-in polarizing filter helps reduce glare, especially when working with reflective materials like metal or glass. In terms of usability, you can use it handheld or with the included stand for stable, hands-free viewing. It's also USB powered, so there's no need for batteries. Just plug it into your Windows or Mac device and start exploring. In real-world use, this microscope is ideal for students and beginners learning microscopy, electronics repair and inspection, coin, stamp, or jewelry analysis, hobbyists exploring everyday objects. Just keep expectations realistic. While it offers great convenience, it's not a lab-grade microscope. Image quality depends more on resolution and lighting than just magnification, which is a common limitation in portable digital microscopes. Overall, it's a practical, affordable digital microscope that makes close-up exploration easy, portable, and interactive, perfect for learning, hobby use, and light professional tasks. Click the link below for the best price.